One two zero.
120.
Midship.
117. Now control ETA to
Steady.
its bounding ground, and half hour I will increase speed. Advise no drifting, proceed slowly, no drifting.